lot and I know the cutoffs go high. So yes, इन लोगों को लगता है यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट मिल रहा है कि डिज़ाइन एजुकेशन इज़ अनफॉर्चुनेटली not very inexpensive. Tearing somebody's learning diaries and people burning assignments and whatnot. Hostel condition, unfortunately, for the first year hostel. Mil gaya, they got an IFT. And question coming, is it really worth it? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mai Savlani and I'm a second year student at NIFT Shillong. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and do not forget to leave a lovely comment for me. So today I'll be sharing a few things, a few opinions. I wish I knew about NIFT before entering. Although my friends and a lot of my friends were already there in NIFT, so they gave me a caution and they gave me all warnings about NIFT and how things go. Very first recommendation to you would be sure about what you really want to do. I think I have said this before also in my video that counseling is about choosing what you want to do in these 4 years. So be sure of what exactly you want to do in these 4 years. Your department has to be, you have to choose your department very wisely. See your interest and then choose what you want to do. So for me, I'm from Kolkata and I would have gotten if Kolkata TD, KD, LD, TD, whatever. But I wouldn't have gotten FC, but I really wanted FC. So I went out of my comfort zone. I went all the way to Shillong just for fashion communication, because later on, after you get into NIFT once, you won't be able to change your department, you won't be able to change your campus. It's very difficult because there's a procedure called student permanent transfer, but do not be dependent on that, because that is literally 1% of chances that you have of your campus or your course or your department getting changed. All the departments have same fee, so whatever you're doing, you're investing a lot, so be sure that you are interested in that.
I know we might be very young to think about it. We are just class 12th pass, or maybe some people would have taken a drop year. We're just class 12th pass and we should know exactly what we want to do in life. But for these 4 years, yes, you have to know that is the procedure.
For people who want FC and FD, I know it is a lot and I know the cutoffs go high. So yes, for FC especially, the cutoffs are really high. I know that, but it's okay, you'll be fine. So all of these things of your department and everything depends on your rank, obviously. And if your rank is not good, how will you go about it? Obviously there is no other way around of converting your rank. Abhi right now आप अपनी rank नहीं बदल सकते, that is the fact. And the very unfair thing that happens to people who are from general categories, that बाकी categories पे तो फिर भी ठीक है, they get a lot of relief, they get a lot of relaxation, and you might feel that this is very unfair, but आप NIFT में भी एक बार घुस जाओगे ना तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा, आप जब दूसरों की रैंक देखोगे you will be like, इनको यहाँ मिल गया, they got an IFT, bro, what's going on? If they can get an IFT in 5K, why am I still here? You just might feel that. Okay, so again, one more thing about an IFT is that people won't tell you, it's not there. NIFT is really expensive. You have to spend a lot on your assignments. So there is midterm assignment, end term assignment, and jury assignment for every subject. And there are 6 subjects in the first semester and 7 subjects in the second semester. There is also GO and you have to plan your assignments accordingly. एक assignments में बहुत खर्चे होते हैं. So be prepared for that, क्योंकि design education is unfortunately not very inexpensive. NIFT में तो फिर भी तुमको कम फीस में एडमिशन मिल जा रहा है. गो फॉर पर्ल, गो फॉर HD, बहुत महंगे हैं. सो डोंट बी स्केर्ड अबाउट दैट. इतना भी कुछ वो नहीं है, हुआ नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर आप कुछ बना रहे हो तो उसके लिए कॉलेज तो आपको नहीं देगा ना मटीरियल, दैट इज़ वेरी ऑब्वियस. सो एक और एक्सपेंस होता है, वो होता है हॉस्टल एक्सपेंस. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कैंपस टू कैंपस. फॉर NIFT Shillong, I think the first semester hostel fees is around 75 to 78,000. First semester का fees is this much, which includes bus, your food. So NIFT Shillong की अगर hostel की बात करो या hostel condition की बात करो या food की बात करो, hostel condition unfortunately for the first year hostel is not good. It's वहाँ पे I'll give you a very वहाँ पे चूहे होते हैं, वहाँ पे खाना गंदा होता है. रूम्स अगर आप शेयरिंग में हो रहे हो तो वो बहुत छोटे हो सकते हैं आपके लिए. I just want to be very honest with everybody who's watching this. NIFT hostel conditions are not that great. If you're not in the metropolitan cities, उतने अच्छे तो definitely नहीं है. तो द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर खाना बहुत बेटर हुआ है, द फूड इज़ मच बेटर, इट टेस्ट गुड, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द फूड इन द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. फर्स्ट semester not at all very good. I didn't go to the mess at all. उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. There are damp floors also, there are damp ceilings also. पानी भी आता है कभी कभी जब बारिश होती है कुछ रूम्स में. I'm not talking about my room. Luckily I got a very good room, I got a very nice room. I am very happy with that room. But हाँ, उसमें चूहा definitely था. तो चूहा बहुत लोगों के रूम से भी निकला है. तो आप लोग अगर NIFT शिलोंग जा रहे हो, प्लीज़ पेस्ट कंट्रोल करवा दो, टॉक टू द वार्डन, प्लीज़ कंडीशन देख के जाना, एंड मेक योर पेरेंट्स, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रख के जाना विद एवरीथिंग. बट इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट वेरी it's also fun, you know, sometimes. Yeah, चूहा. So the next point would be कि NIFT is about self study, it's about self growth and it's about self improvement. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि NIFT में फैकल्टी आपके पीछे भागेगी, आप एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान में बदल जाओगे, वो आप तभी बदलोगे जब आप खुद चाहते हो कि आप बदलो. You will change only if you want yourself to be changed. You want yourself to be a better person. You can be a worse person also. People have come into NIFT, people have gotten into wrong habits and wrong addictions. To do, if you want to be a better person, go for self improvement. अपना काम खुद बढ़ाना है, खुद फीडबैक लेना है, खुद इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है, खुद फैकल्टी के पास जाना है, खुद पीछे पढ़ना है, सब कुछ खुद करना है. This is NIFT, this is not school, this is college, where if you want to do something in your life, you have to be self-dependent. NIFT is not easy and there's a lot of competition. There is cutthroat competition. I have heard things about people tearing somebody's learning diaries and people burning assignments and whatnot. Never happened to me. Never has my assignment gotten stolen or मेरी कोई LD किसी ने नहीं फाड़ी. तो I don't have any personal experience here, but I'm just talking about what people have told me, not from NIFT Shillong but from Kolkata as well. So that is what I have heard. Yes, it is very toxic. Yes, ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. Be aware of that. Choose your people wisely. I don't think मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है भाई. तुम अच्छे इंसान हो, तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं होने वाला. अगर कोई कंपटीशन मैंने रखा है तो मैंने बहुत फेस टू फेस रखा है कि ब्रो यस, जो है अपनी दोस्ती साइड में है, अपना असाइनमेंट साइड में है, उतना आपको करना है तो आप करो, बट डोंट बी लाइक माय गॉड, डोंट. ओके, वो सारी चीज़ें मैंने भी शायद की है, बट बी अवेयर ऑफ हु वी आर चूजिंग. एंड हाँ, लोगों के साथ भी जेल अप करो क्लोजली. कीप योर सर्कल वेरी सॉफ्ट, इट्स ऑल चिल, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन. कंपटीशन के बाद एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है. लोगों को लगता है यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट मिल रहे हैं, नहीं मिल रहे हैं. किसने बोला तुम्हें प्लेसमेंट मिल रहा है? नो. सी, फॉर प्लेसमेंट एज वेल देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन. what I have heard from my seniors is that on your own you get better placement, so do not expect much from the college or from the faculty. Yes, they'll help you, yes, they'll get internships for you if you don't get it yourself. Okay, they'll talk to the company, they'll talk to everyone, but I think faculty अगर ढूंढ के लाती है internships, you can't say no. I think that is something that I have heard. And placements की बात है तो अब a good news that I've heard from my seniors is that they've put up a bar कि 8 lakhs के ऊपर का ही package you can offer. उसके नीचे का no companies are coming who are not ready to offer at least 8 lakhs. So the 8 lakh is the limit that they have to minimum offer you. बट अगेन, एक प्लेसमेंट के लिए 1000 लोग बैठे हैं. आप कोई तो यू हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी टू गेट इट. यस बड़ी, यस. एंड otherwise you have to find it yourself, and that is what most of the people do, because they exactly want what they want and they have their own preferences. So they have LinkedIn profile, they have Behance, they have everything. So yes, that is also very important. अपना Behance और अपना ये सब पे अपलोड रखो. वो अभी सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है वो सारी चीज़ें की, because right now enter NIFT, come to me. If you're in NIFT Shillong, you can come, you can talk to me about anything and everything you want to.
Share a little story about हमारी एक दिन की story. It was a Sunday or a Saturday, I don't remember. It was an off day. So all of us were in the hostel, and then suddenly it's raining. There is no electricity. So because there is no electricity, there is no water in the purifier, there is no water in the geyser, because it was a coldy day for a Shillong person. You can't take bath without hot water. So there's no hot water, there's no drinking water. You can't go to the mess because it's raining that heavily, and you have to obviously you have to take an umbrella and go to the mess. But yeah, so if you're lazy enough to not take an umbrella, you're not going to the mess also. Then so you haven't taken a bath, you haven't gone to the mess.
You haven't had water if you don't have water. It was that bad. You don't have battery in your phone if there's no electricity. Days have gone that worse for us, for me, for everyone who is in first year, who has been a part of NIFT Shillong. I think we have went through all of this. But now your question must be, what is there in NIFT to suffer so much for? I think NIFT shapes you as a person. For me, if I had to do a bachelor degree, I wouldn't definitely have gone into BBA or BCom or anything. I definitely didn't want to get into the same drill. I'm the first person in my entire family to go into something other than BCom. So I am very happy that I took this decision, because अगर कोई bachelor degree करनी थी तो वो NIFT ही था. That I was very sure of. And question coming, is it really worth it? I am not sure, because I haven't completed my 4 years. After I complete these 4 years, I think then I'll be able to answer the question of if it's worth it. But so far so good. A little bit ups and downs everybody goes through, and even I have went through a lot of ups and downs, and you also be ready for it, because you have to be very strong. If you're not strong, bye bye right now. If you're not strong and if you're not ready to face all of this, you will be just another person who drops out of NIFT. So don't be scared, because this video wasn't exactly to scare you, but it was just to show you the mirror, because people don't talk about these things. That was it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below of what you want to do next, or just a like video or a pyara sa comment for me, because I am putting in a lot of efforts for my juniors. That was it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.